Our game consists of a picture of the puzzle that will help in the first level, marbles that will help in the second level, penalty cards and star cards that will help in the third level, and we have also included instruction cards that will tell you how to play the game.
Starting with the first level, where it explains Kepler's first law that all the planets revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits, having the sun at one of the foci.